donkeys. So boys, what are we going to do today?
Going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Some sand. Some sand.
We're going to go and find some sand. Let's go and find some sand.
And it's my school holiday.
Yes. How are we getting to the beach today?
With me drive.
With you driving? Uh-oh. Watch out, cars on the road.
Yeah, let's see the alligator.
Just a minute. There's no alligators at the beach, is there? So boys, we're here. Can you see any sand?
Yeah.
Where? I can't see any.
Over there.
Over there. There's some sand over there.
Yeah.
What's over there, Dex?
Some sand.
No, there can't be sand.
And there's a Ferris wheel.
What? Let's go and have a look around, shall we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall we go have a look at the sea? We can see the sea. Oh, it's a bit blowy. Shall we see? Should we walk over the sea?
Yeah.
Walk over top of it.
And look how far we are on the ocean.
We're out to sea. Dexter, what did you just say to Daddy?
They don't let you into the
What? No.
time to play in the arcade.
Ah, good try.
No wins here.
What have you got, Case?
Tickets.
Look at all those tickets. How many has he got?
Wow! Is it ever going to stop? How many tickets are there?
A few more games. Now it's time to count the tickets.
Get ready to let go.
How many tickets did you get? Do you remember?
1,053.
1,053.
Wow, you show me. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest win we're ever going to have, don't you think?
Yeah.
Have you got a milkshake?
Yeah.
What? And Dexter, what have you got? You got ice cream. You've got chocolate ice cream. You've got a milkshake. Where's mine?
My milkshake has cream and little bits on it.
And just a minute. What? So Casey, what did you get with all of those tickets? You show me?
Five of these.
Wow, 5 white
One
mice.
of these.
And a model to make. That looks amazing. And what have you got, Dexter?
I got two
Look.
Mawams.
I think you got more than 2 Mawams.
These ones. Then I got Jessie
Got a squishy octopus and a moustache by the looks of it. So what are we looking at, Case?
the mud.
Is there lots? Oh my gosh, look at all that muddy sand. Do you fancy going for a walk on it?
No.
No, ruin your nice trainers, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Should we go and see what else we can find?
Yeah. Still dig.
You can still dig.
Yeah, we can dig that bit.
I don't want to dig that bit. Get muddy. So, Case,
Yeah.
we've come off of the pier, and what have we found?
Donkeys.
What have you found, Case?
We found a horse with a fire.
Should we go for a ride? Is this a good spot for digging, Dex?
finally time to play
We are
on the
having
beach.
lunch on the beach. Daddy is setting up the tent. He might need some help. You having some lunch, Dex?
We have lunch and then we play with some
You're
buckets.
digging up some buckets.
It's the lights building sandcastles. And destroying them.
Dexter, what happened to the castle? So Dexter, did we find some sand?
Yeah.
Did we find a lot of sand today or a little bit? We found lots of sand. We've seen the pier.
Yeah.
We've seen the donkeys.
Yeah.
We've been on a horse ride.
Yeah.
We found sand.
Yeah.
And now what are we going to do? Yeah, let's go home. We're a bit cold. You cold, Dexter? Let's go home. We've got everything. Oh, Dexter's going to fly.
That's totally